Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a creamy and delicious cheese and mushroom omelet that's perfect for breakfast or brunch. These are the simple ingredients we need: fresh eggs, mushrooms, cheese, butter, seasoning, and a little parsley for garnish. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and black pepper. Then whisk until smooth and fluffy. Melt some butter in a pan over medium heat. Add sliced mushrooms and saute until they become soft and lightly golden. Pour the beaten eggs into the pan and gently spread them evenly. Let it cook slowly until the edges begin to set. Now add the sauteed mushrooms to one side and sprinkle generous grated cheese on top. Let the cheese melt beautifully. Carefully fold the omelet in half and let it cook for another minute until perfectly golden. Transfer it to a plate and garnish with freshly chopped parsley. And there you have it. A warm cheesy mushroom omelet that's simple, quick, and absolutely delicious.